So yeah, firstly, I think it was a right decision to have monkey ads with us today. My most important 3 takeaways. I am a very avid social media user, but I think the way monkey ads, both Palak and Surbhi, the way you have oriented us towards synchronizing all the various profiles, right from a very what do you say, lifestyle oriented platform like Instagram to something like LinkedIn. I think the way the science and the logic of these things have been synced is something which is the biggest takeaway for me, because I have been avoiding certain platforms for certain reasons. Number 2 is of course the keywords, because I already cracked a joke about it, and keywords play a very important role for the engagement or the target audience, etc., which we all know by now. And the third is, I think the third is the opportunity to do this workshop and again, kind of bring the whole team together and make them realize, so that we all synchronize our efforts towards the next stage, and that kind of plugs in well with the idea of Dsync. So again, that synchronization is something which is the biggest takeaway again for us. So that's about it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.